Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a problem that affects millions of people: acid reflux. If you're tired of that burning sensation and constant discomfort, you're in the right place. We're diving deep into the top 5 vitamins that could be game changers for your digestive health. Remember, I'm not your doctor, just a friendly face sharing some insights. This video is for informational purposes only. Alright, let's get started. In this video, we'll look at how to stop acid reflux permanently and restore the proper pH levels of your stomach. First up, we have a kitchen staple that's gained a reputation as a natural remedy: apple cider vinegar. Now you might be thinking, vinegar? For acid reflux? That sounds counterintuitive, and you wouldn't be alone. But hear me out. Apple cider vinegar is created when yeast ferments the sugar in apple juice, turning it into acetic acid. This acid is thought to help some people with acid reflux by increasing stomach acidity. Sometimes acid reflux is actually triggered by low stomach acid. Stomach acid is essential for breaking down food. When your stomach doesn't produce enough, food may not be digested properly, leading to a backup that can trigger reflux. The theory is that apple cider vinegar, by increasing acidity, might help improve digestion and reduce reflux. It's essential to dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming it, as its acidity can erode tooth enamel over time. If you're considering trying apple cider vinegar for acid reflux, start with a tablespoon diluted in a glass of water before meals. But remember, listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, stop using it and consult your doctor. Next up, let's talk about the gut microbiome, that bustling community of trillions of bacteria residing in your digestive tract. These microscopic residents play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that, when consumed in adequate amounts, can help restore a healthy balance of gut flora. Think of them as friendly reinforcements for your digestive system. Some studies suggest that they may work by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, strengthening the gut barrier, and reducing inflammation. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or you can opt for probiotic supplements. Look for supplements that contain multiple strains of beneficial bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium species. As always, it's a good idea to chat with your doctor before adding probiotics to your routine. Now, let's talk about a supplement that's been gaining traction as a potential acid reflux remedy: betaine HCl with pepsin. This supplement combines betaine hydrochloride, a form of hydrochloric acid, with pepsin, a digestive enzyme. Betaine HCl aims to address low stomach acid by supplementing the stomach's natural acid production. Pepsin helps ensure that food is broken down efficiently, potentially reducing the likelihood of reflux. Betaine HCl with pepsin is generally considered safe for short-term use. However, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before taking this supplement, as it can interact with certain medications. Your doctor can help you determine the appropriate dosage and monitor for any potential side effects. Let's move on to Zinc L Carnosine, a supplement that combines the mineral zinc with the amino acid L Carnosine. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a role in numerous bodily functions, including immune function and cell growth. In the digestive system, zinc contributes to the maintenance of a healthy stomach lining. L Carnosine acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Together, zinc and L Carnosine work synergistically to support the integrity of the stomach lining, potentially reducing the risk of acid reflux. As with any supplement, it's essential to consult your doctor before taking Zinc L Carnosine. Finally, let's talk about a culinary ingredient that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine: ginger root. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds are thought to help soothe the stomach lining, reduce nausea, and promote healthy digestion. Studies suggest that ginger may help reduce acid reflux symptoms by relaxing the lower esophageal sphincter and speeding up gastric emptying. You can enjoy ginger in various ways: add fresh ginger to smoothies or stir-fries, sip on ginger tea, or take ginger supplements. However, it's worth noting that ginger can interact with certain medications, so it's essential to check with your doctor before incorporating it into your diet. So there you have it, our exploration of 5 potential natural allies in the fight against acid reflux. Remember, these are just starting points, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.